Yes. Okay, guys, it's freezing cold outside. I have 2 layers on right now and I'm still cold. My hands are freezing, but you know what? I'm doing it. I'm super excited to install the Canards today. It's gonna look amazing. Let's get right into this because no time to waste at this point. Oh. Alright, I am so ready for this, guys. One thing I always do is I rip open the box that I receive my parts in. I rip it up, lay it flat on the ground, just so I have something to sit on. Now, with it being winter, a lot of dirt, salt, rocks, everything is just tracked into the garage, so I always like to sit on this so then I'm not getting my clothes dirty, I'm not sitting on the cold ground. There's a little bit of cushion, and then also, because if you're installing your part, okay, if you're installing your part and you drop it, it's just gonna hit the cardboard and it's gonna be a little bit softer of a ground instead of it dinking the cement, okay? Now let me adjust that actually. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna wipe off the bumper to get all the salt and dirt that is still on the bumper from after we washed the car. If you guys remember that. Let me go ahead and wipe it off real fast. Boom, just like that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be using a few things for this video. I'm gonna be using a tape measure, some tape, and maybe a marker to mark a line, and I will show you that. And then, of course, you're gonna need a drill bit, and the hardware itself. But for now, I'm gonna grab that tape measure, and I'm gonna start measuring stuff out. I will show you the process as I go. Let's get started. Okay, you're gonna wanna take your ruler, and you're gonna wanna measure 9.5 inches from the top of the bumper straight down. Have a piece of tape ready. Okay, you're gonna wanna go 9.5 straight down and straight across, somewhere right there. Now I'm gonna grab the canard, I'm gonna line it up with this lip right here, is where it's gonna match right here. Line it up as good as you can, and take the top of the canard right onto this piece of tape. Holy crap. This fitment is awesome. I can't even believe this. After that, really just get the canard, adjust it to where you want by putting pressure on the actual drill holes so you know you don't have any distance. But the fitment is great. I mean, it's hard to get it insanely perfect, but we're definitely super close. Ugh, so cold. I pretty much lined it up and put the dot on the tip of the canard right where I want to place it. Now, I'm going to take this, I'm going to strip some tape across here so I can actually mark through the holes of the canard itself. So let's go ahead, let's mask this off. After you have it masked off, I'm going to set the canard back up here and I'm just going to draw some circles right where I want to drill. Boom. Okay, as you guys can see, I have a dot right here, a dot right here, and a dot right here. This little dot is for the tip of the canard to line it up. But as you guys can see, when we do install it, this is what it's going to look like. That's a little test fit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fresh. But those dots right there are the dots that line up and correspond with this. So yes, I am following this to give you guys the proper instructions myself. But next, what we're gonna wanna do, okay, honestly, I don't even know what they're doing right here. But what I want to do is I want to tape this on here just to get the fitment right, and obviously the other side, make sure they're even before I actually drill into the bumper itself. So let's go ahead, let's tape up the canard on here, and then we'll do the other side and see what it looks like. Okay guys, the Subie is all mocked up. I got the canards taped on. Check this out, they look amazing. There's only one thing. I'm gonna have to drill into my bumper and I'm actually really scared to do that. But other than that, check out the mock-up. All right guys, here is the bottom APR canard actually on my bumper. This is pretty much what it's going to look like. As I zoom in, you guys can see those are fresh. Coming to the other side, I have this side mocked up as well. It looks so sick, guys. Oh my gosh, I have canards. I can't even believe this right now. After you have it marked up and you're good with what everything is at, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drill those holes. Now, I'm about to drill into my bumper and I'm super freaking scared. I just feel like it doesn't feel right. Yeah, it just doesn't feel right. When I was drilling into my trunk for my APR wing, I was also feeling the same feeling. but I did it and it turned out good. So let's just redo that. Okay guys, busting out the drill right here. I got my drill, and you're going to need a 7/32 drill bit right here. Boom. Let's go ahead, let's insert that right here. Flip this, which way is that going? That's going that other way. We're gonna flip that. Now we're just gonna do this. That is a very bad idea. Oh my God. I'm gonna put the camera down real fast, hold on. Okay guys, I got the drill. Now we are gonna go ahead and we're just gonna start drilling. Here we go. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, this is the most important part. Not really, but you wanna make sure that you do this right, and you wanna make sure you have the right drill bit. This is the one APR recommends, so we using it. Here we go, we're about to drill in my bumper. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna do it. Dun 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 dun. All right, here we go. I'm freaking scared, boys. Yeah! Woo! Boys, I just drilled into my bumper. Oh my gosh, it is lit! It seemed like the key was to line it up perfect and just to hurry and real fast, because then it wouldn't move off of the dot as much. So definitely put a lot of pressure and do a quick little pull and then drill it out. But guys, I just put 3 holes in my bumper. Let's go ahead and do the other side real fast. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after you got the 3 holes drilled into your bumper. Honestly, if you mess up, it's okay, because then they're very small. They're very small, you would never notice them. No, those are ugly. Yo, my camera just died right in the middle of that, so I had to come charge it a little bit, but it was nice to have a nice break. But in my house, warming up. But now let's go back and finish. How you doing, Subie? Doing good. Heck yeah, I'm glad. All right, boys. So basically we just need to bolt the hardware into there. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get to it. You're gonna wanna remove a clip right here on the top of here, and then there's actually one underneath, which are these 2 right here, just little pop clips. You're able to pull back your splash guard, just like that. Then you're able to reach your hand back behind to where you can put the back of the nut on the bolt, and then you won't have to take off your bumper. So this makes everything a lot easier when you do it this way. So basically all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up, feed my hand through, and put the bolt on, and then it should be installed. Now, they provide a bolt, washers, and the nut for it, one for each. So if you dump all these out right here, you can see that one looks different from the rest for some reason. Oh, it's just because it's flipped over. Okay, anyways, put that through there and then put the nut on the end of it, guys. Okay, after this, we will have the left side canard fully installed, and this is gonna look so fresh. So let me hurry and go ahead and do that real fast for you. Here we go. Okay guys, I got them all started. Now I'm gonna grab a tool to tighten them all down. Okay guys, I got the left canard on. I'm super excited, guys. It looks awesome. Check this out. So as you guys can see, it is on there very well, and the fitment is totally awesome. I mean, from the top, you can see it runs right along the edge here, and right here at the tip is the only way it's got any sort of space. But other than that, the fitment is awesome. Carbon fiber looks great. Guys, I'm super excited on the turnout. Look at that, dude. No way. Ooh, they're so fat. Like, I like them because they're not big, but they're big enough to notice them. Yeah, pretty much that. So guys, coming over to this side, I gotta do this one, and then we'll be done. And we will have some canards installed on the 2016 Subaru WRX. Let's go. Okay guys, both canards are installed on the front of the Subie. Check this out. Okay guys, the APR Canards are installed on the Subaru. If you guys do want me to put the various Canards on, I will, but I don't know, I kind of just like the bottom ones. I want you guys to go in the comments and let me know if I should rock the 4 or if I should just rock the 2 for a minute and then put these on later. I don't know, you guys let me know. Basically, they just go right above these ones, just a little bit higher, more like right here. It looks pretty good, but I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, if you guys want these or not. Thank you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, guys.